Welcome to Innovative Brains. Today we're diving deep, and I mean really deep, into the world of patents in India. Specifically, we're breaking down everything you need to know about the Indian Patent Agent Examination. So if you've ever been curious about how to navigate the intricate world of intellectual property rights and possibly make it your career path, you're in the right place. This video is your one-stop shop for understanding what it takes to become a patent agent in India. We're talking about who a patent agent really is, what they do, and how much you can potentially earn. We'll unpack the exam itself, the eligibility criteria, the exam pattern, and of course I've got some essential tips to help you conquer this thing. Whether you're a science graduate, an engineering whiz, or just someone intrigued by the world of innovation and how inventions are protected, stick around. This video is for you. So let's kick things off by answering the most basic question: who is a patent agent? Now think of a patent agent as a bridge between inventors and the Indian Patent Office. They're the pros who guide inventors through the entire process of securing a patent. This means they're drafting patent applications, making sure all the technical details are on point, and they're representing inventors before the patent office. It's a highly specialized field that requires a deep understanding of both technical subjects and patent law. A patent agent is your go-to person for navigating the complexities of intellectual property rights. You need someone who knows the ins and outs of the patent system, someone who can make your case strong, and that's exactly what a patent agent does. Let's be real. One of the first questions on everyone's mind is, how much can I earn? And rightfully so. As a fresher in the field, you can expect to earn somewhere between 3 to 5 lakhs per annum. Now, that's just the starting point. As you gain experience, build your network, and maybe even start taking on your own clients as a freelancer, your earning potential can skyrocket. There's no real cap on how much you can make. The more expertise you gain, the more value you bring to the table, and naturally, the higher your fees can go. It all comes down to your hard work, dedication, and of course your passion for the world of patents. Now, before you get too caught up in the earning potential, let's talk about whether you're actually eligible for this gig. First and foremost, you've got to be an Indian citizen. Secondly, you need to have a solid foundation in science, engineering, or technology. This means having a degree in one of these fields is a must. And finally, you need to be at least 21 years old. So if you tick all these boxes, congrats, you're on the right track to becoming a patent agent. But hold on, meeting the eligibility criteria is just the first step. There's a pretty challenging exam you'll need to conquer. The Indian Patent Agent Examination is no walk in the park. It's designed to test your knowledge and understanding of patent law and procedure. The exam is divided into 2 papers, Paper 1 and Paper 2. Paper 1 is all about testing your objective knowledge. Think multiple choice questions, true or false, that sort of thing. It covers topics like the Indian Patent Act, patent rules, and international treaties related to intellectual property. Paper 2 is where things get real. This is the descriptive paper where you'll be drafting patent specifications, analyzing case studies, and really showcasing your understanding of patent law. And if you make it through those 2, there's a viva voce examination waiting for you. This is where you'll face a panel of experts who will grill you on your knowledge and understanding. First up, make sure you have a solid grasp of the Indian Patent Act, 1970. This is the holy grail of patent law in India, and you need to know it inside and out. Next, practice, practice, practice. Get your hands on as many previous year's question papers as you can, and start solving them. This will give you a good feel for the type of questions you can expect, and help you identify your strengths and weaknesses. And finally, consider joining a coaching program. A good coaching program can provide you with structured study material, mock tests, and expert guidance, all of which can significantly improve your chances of success. So there you have it, a comprehensive look at what it takes to become a patent agent in India. It's a challenging but rewarding career path that offers the chance to work at the forefront of innovation. If you're passionate about intellectual property and have a knack for navigating legal complexities, this just might be the perfect field for you. Remember, becoming a patent agent is a journey. And like any journey, it starts with a single step. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Innovative Brains for more tips and guidance on preparing for the Indian Patent Agent Examination.